Hello, this is Max and Josh.
Hi.
Today we want to show you how to use the ModernPro scanner quick and easy. There are only a few rules that should be followed to make scanning quick and easy and smooth for beginners. First rule: put your scanner on a distance to the teeth that is close to a centimeter or even half a centimeter. Like this. This is the proposed scanning distance. Second, when you scan, first thing, try to scan the whole bow on the surface of the teeth. So you put the scanner on half a centimeter distance, you scan the whole bow. This way, the software knows how big the model is in total. Third rule: establish the connection between scanner and teeth always on the surface. From this surface on, complete the teeth, front and back, but always coming from the surface. Now I want to show you these rules in practice by scanning Josh. First step, we open the program. We select Create and enter our patient's name, in this case Josh. Our personal name, the name of the dentist that is actually working with the patient, which in this case is Max, and the name of your clinic, of course. This is the scanning overview or main view. This is the upper jaw, the lower jaw, and the bite. So to start the actual scanning process, you first of all have to push the button on the black box. Now you push on, you can see that a black video picture appears. That's because the scanner has a video of photographing function as well as a laser light, which will be turned on later. But only after pressing start, it's actually ready to scan and is looking for teeth. So first things first, I scan the arch or the bow of Josh's teeth. After that, I can quickly scan the inner area of Josh's mouth. For me as a user, the scanner shows that it has established a connection with the teeth by making the formerly red square appear green. If it loses contact, it becomes red again. After having re-established contact, it turns green again. Now you can see that I scan the front side of Josh's teeth, looking for areas that are still blank spaces and that have to be scanned. After having completed scanning the first jaw, I am checking the model for unnecessary parts that I can easily delete by using the brush function or the polygon circle deleting tool. Now to the second jaw. If I'm not only pausing, but if I actually press stop, the software will make a preview of the scanned model, which is cleaned of unnecessary artifacts, so to speak, which will also highlight areas that have not yet been scanned. As you can see, smaller holes are being drawn through by color, where bigger ones stay blank spaces and require additional scanning. After scanning the blank spaces that I've identified before, I now turn to scanning the bite. This takes around about 10 to 15 seconds for each side and is very easy to do as well. Finally, I let the software process the model so that it can create the final STL file. This takes a minute for each jaw. At that point in time, the patient can leave. Here you can see the final model based on an STL file. It contains high fidelity surface information. You can remove the color to have a better look of the actual form of the teeth. Clicking the admin button, you can assess a number of dentists that you have created in the program, like Max. In this case, Max is already chosen. Max has one patient, which is Josh, and Josh has one case, which you can see on the right. By pressing Path, the program leads me to the actual STL files, the folder where my files are actually saved on the computer. Using MeshLab, you can see that the bite information is already contained within the lower jaw and upper jaw STL file. So there is no extra bite STL, but the bite is already contained in the two files. So just copy these two files and you are good to go.